In this video, we're going to dig into how to use the Wi-Fi analysis tool within Link Live. The topics covered will be viewing the overview graphs, using the graphs to drill into the detailed analysis, each of the sections within analysis, and filtering the analysis data. Each time an airmapper survey or Wi-Fi discovery data is uploaded to Link Live, the analysis information is uploaded as well. This analysis data includes information about the channels, networks, access points, clients, and interferers. I'll begin by going to the Analysis section within Link Live and selecting Analysis. We see the top two results are linked together. One is the discovery information that was uploaded, and the other is the Wi-Fi information. In this case, I'm interested in the Wi-Fi information, so I'll click on it. Notice that on the right-hand side of the screen, we see summary information about the analyzer used to collect the data, and when the analysis was performed. In addition to the analysis info, there are several charts that summarize the analysis data that was collected. Clicking on the menu in the upper right corner of the chart, we can change the view, save it to a file, or print the chart. Not only do these charts provide an overview of the Wi-Fi analysis, but they provide an easy means to apply filters. As an example, I'll come down to the channel usage chart. This shows the number of APs and BSS IDs on each channel. I'm interested in channel 6. If I click on APs for channel 6, a filter will be applied for that channel, and the AP section of the analysis will be displayed with a filter for channel 6. If I want to return to the overview graphs, I just need to click on the back arrow in the upper left corner of the screen. Now let's dig into the detailed analysis. To do this, I'll click on Analysis at the top of the screen. On the left-hand side of the screen, we see all the different analysis sections. These sections are channels, SSIDs, access points, BSSIDs, clients, and probing clients. Each of these sections displays data pertinent to that section. As I click on each section, the graphs displayed will change to match the important information for that section. The analysis data may be displayed as charts or tables. This is controlled using the two icons in the upper left corner of the screen. As with the summary charts, clicking on a chart will apply a filter based on the value you selected. Selecting Details will display the analysis information in tabular form. Often, much more information is collected than you're interested in viewing. This is where filters come into play. The filter field in the upper left portion of the screen allows you to enter partial or entire strings to be used as filters. It even supports regular expressions. For example, if I enter netgear, any network that contains netgear will be displayed. Another means of creating filters is to click on the filter icon next to the free string field. This will display a list of available filter fields. More than one field may be used within the filter. Once applied, the filter is displayed at the top of the screen. The filter may be removed by clicking Clear or the X next to the filter. When viewing analysis information, it is oftentimes useful to sort the data for a particular column. This is accomplished by clicking on the column header. The location of the column may be changed by clicking and dragging the column to the desired location. In this way, you can customize the display to your needs. When analyzing the information, you may notice some of the fields are in blue. This indicates you may click on the field to view the details for that field. For example, if from the Channel section, I click on the APs for a specific channel, Link Live will create a filter on the channel and jump to the AP section. Notice that at the top of the screen, the filter has been set to the channel I selected. By clicking Clear or clicking the X next to the filter, I can delete the filter. Insights may be used to apply thresholds and identify offending devices that exceed those thresholds. To run Insights, I click on Additional Tools in the lower right corner of the screen. From here, I click on Insights. Before running Insights, it is important to configure the thresholds to match your environment. I'll use the default values. I'll click Run Insights. In this case, analysis is showing me those devices that are using channel widths greater than 20 MHz or on channels other than 1, 6, or 11 for the 2.4 GHz band. In summary, the analysis information is included each time an airmapper survey or Wi-Fi discovery is uploaded to Link Live. Using sections and filters, you can view the Wi-Fi information that is important to you. Be sure to check out our other videos on getting the most out of Link Live.